Oh, look. A toy that was already broken. Unfortunately, the union forbids me from picking it up. That's a job for your mommy.
Somebody got up on the wrong side of the bread.
Let's try again. No, let's not, Lillian. I'll just wait for the Mobfather to bring her. Whatever that is.
Let's go ask her, Chucky. She just sneaked behind that curtain over there.
Do you wanna play outside and come with me? It's such a lovely day. Wanna come on.
Hey, what's the big idea?
Hi, Angelica.
Oh, for feet's sake. Can't you see this is the no dumb baby section?
Sorry, Angelica. But Chucky was kind of wondering when his new mommy was coming.
I'm working on it, and I almost had a good one. But then I got so hungry I just had to sit down. Maybe you need a nap. Or cookies.
Wait!
What am I gonna do with you? You stay closer to home. Don't you go running off.
Mama,
Ah, so we returned.
we saw some fish.
Fish. Lucky you didn't see some cats.
Cats! Gato! Cats!
I didn't see any cats.
Won't it be nice to get to America where we don't have to worry about cats anymore? There are no cats in America. But back home in Mother Russia, our family was traveling through the snow to Minsk. Suddenly, Papa saw those huge paw prints. When I heard him screaming, I fainted dead away. And I woke up an orphan. Oy.
But there are no cats in America, and the streets are paved with cheese. Oh, there are no cats in America, so set your mind at ease.
Non sa la cosa terribile che esiste nella patria mia. You think that things were bad in Russia? You should see things in my country. The times were hard in Sicily. We had no provolone. The Don, he was a tabby with a taste for my brother Tony. When Mama went to plead for him, the Don said he would see her. We found her rosary on the ground. Poor Mamma mia.
But there are no cats in America, and the streets are paved with cheese. Oh, there are no cats in America, so set your mind at ease.
Surely not sad, but sadder still. When I was but a lad, I lost my true love fair. A calico, he caught us by surprise. In a flash of teeth and fur, her tail was all he left of her. 'Neath the heather is wedded to Rallura lies.
But there are no cats in America, and the streets are paved with cheese. Oh, there are no cats in America, 'cause there are no mice in America, 'cause there are no mice in America, there are no trees in America. That's why we
And ice cream. And ice cream? Which happens to be in that kitchen up there. Be right back. Come on, you guys. Where are they going? There's lots of neat stuff down here, Philip. Like a hairy toothbrush, a potato chip. Hey, somebody must have lost their lunch.
Do you wanna play outside and come
smell a rapey-japey.
Come on, sweetie. Time to get changed.
I want a mom that will last forever. I want a mom to make it all better. I want a mom that will last forever. I want a mom who will love me whatever. I want a mom to take my hand and make me feel like a holiday. A mom to tuck me in at night and chase the monsters away. I want a mom to read me stories and sing a lullaby. And if I have a bad dream, to hold me when I cry. Oh, I want a mom that will last forever. I want a mom to make it all better. I want a mom that will last forever. I want a mom that will love me whatever, forever.
We aren't here to snack. We're here to avenge. Once these pesky passengers fall asleep, we'll show our blue friends some love. Some poisonous love.
Oh, that's my specialty.
We attack at the midnight hour because it's more evil. Stay alert.
Neck, stop, mouth, throat, stomach, intestine, and you guessed it, Green River.
So, what do we have here? It appears to be a young pioneer. Now, the feline in me would like to devour this tender young morsel, but the shrewd businessman in me knows that if I do, the other mice will miss him and come looking for him. The gourmet in me quivers at the thought of mouse tartar. But the entrepreneur prefers not to be inundated by suspicious mice that could jeopardize my plan. So I must exercise both willpower and finesse. Scamper back to your parents, little mouse, and do be careful. It's frightfully hazardous out there.
Bye.
Give him the flying R and make it good.
The flying R! I love the flying R!